your clothes. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, we got a steam in your team. Look at your crown.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janae, aka It Girl Nay. You can follow me on Instagram at itgirl_nay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because you know why? Because I know you will like this video, and honestly, like, it really will mean a lot to me if you like this video. So let's just get into the video. So today, don't mind all the pillows. I like pillows. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing. Is my address on there? I'm gonna cross that out. I think my address is there. But I got this package from Nike. It's gonna be a shoe unboxing. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee, the holiday 11s. Well, I call them the holiday 11s. I don't know if they're really the holiday 11s. The Jubilee 11s. So let's just get into this shoe first, okay? Because yeah, so this actually is not my size. A friend actually ended up getting a pair for me, and these I ordered by accident, because you know when you're trying to buy a pair of shoes and you be rushing, you be like putting in all your information, like boom, 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 and then that's what happened. So I ended up getting the wrong pair. So these are going to be going back unless you guys want them. So these are, they come in this box. You get your little sticker. So these are the Jubilee 11s, okay. So they are white and black, as you guys can see. I'm gonna sit one down because, like, why do you guys need to see? So these shoes for me, the reason why I wanted these shoes so bad is because, what is it called? The Space Jam 11. So these are really similar to the Space Jam 11s, right? They have blue on them, like a faint blue, like it's not a lot of blue. So they're very similar to this, but I don't have those. And I was like really, like, I tried to get those shoes like so many ways. I stood in line, I got raffles, I couldn't get it. So for me, these are the next best things. They're like a perfect pair of black and white shoes. I'm a size 5.5. These are 6, like I told you guys. So let's just go into the details. So it has this nice leather or patent leather on here. And it actually has it here, unlike normal, which is actually really, really nice. Let's just put that out there. And then, so that's the patent leather, and it's like super soft, like, or leather. Let's call it leather, because they better be giving me some leather. And it's really soft. And then it has, this is like my favorite thing, I think, on this shoe. This chromed out Jumpman, like, bruh. Like, if you guys see, like, that, like, you see that? Look at that sparkle. Like, I love this, how this is chrome on this shoe. Also, another thing that I really, like, they're just super clean to me. Like, if I had to choose, like, is this a drip or skip? Like, for me, like, I was really, like, I don't think you can flip these shoes. Like, I feel like they made way too many of these shoes this year. They, all of a sudden, was like so many was available. So, like, I feel like would not flip these because, like, it's not really a flippable shoe. But for me, like, I would say this is drip, because, like, everybody needs some black and white shoes, poo, and that's on period, okay? I'ma always need, you see, black and white. Like, these is perfect. Like, these is gonna be a go-to shoe for me. Like, and then the silver 23 right here is just, I'm obsessing over the little details on this shoe. From here to here to here. Like, this shoe has a lot of details that I think you couldn't really see on the ones online. Like, the picture online is look whack as the fudge, okay? But here, and then it has, like, the bottom is like, it's like a icy, like, I don't know, like, not gray, but like, you can just, like, an icy clear that is just regular. But I really like the distinction between this is patent leather and the leather. That's what I was getting at before. Like, the distinction between the two. Like, the black on the black is just super nice from the 3 different tones of black. Not different tones, but different materials. Like, it really meshes really nice together. So that is these. Again, these are the Jordan Jubilees. Anybody who knows me knows sneakerhead is me. Sneakerhead. But like I said, these are going back because I have my own size in a 5.5, but I really am loving these shoes. I have not worn them yet. Probably will wear them like with an outfit like this, my little Fashion Nova fit, okay? Fashion Nova, call your girl, okay? Call your girl. But yeah, so I'm wearing these. I'll put a little clip of them on my feet at the end. Maybe. I feel like you guys have seen them so much because a lot of people were actually able to get these, which is kind of annoying. I promise you, I don't like when other people have my shoes. Okay. But yeah. So these are the Jordan 11s. And these is a drip for me, okay? You guys tell me what you guys think in the comments below. And if you like this video and you want more videos like this, poo, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know you like it. If I get a certain amount of followers, I will start doing other unboxing videos. Like, I was thinking maybe electronics or something. Like, I really like unboxing because, like, your girl is a shopaholic, poo. And, like, why not share the love so you can get, like I'm loving these shoes. Love. Yeah, again, these are the Jordan Jubilees. And let's just take a moment to recognize the shoe right there. I'm gonna just give you guys a slow-mo. Okay, slow. Like, look, it like so clean. People is really hating on these shoes, but they're like so like, it's like, just look at that. Okay, thank you dolls for watching. Again, my name is, we're gonna just call me It Girl Nay. We're not gonna refer to me for my first name. My name is It Girl Nay. You can like, comment, subscribe below. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll be posting more videos like this, unboxing videos and things like that, okay? Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, my dolls.